Hello guys and welcome back. No, it's not clickbait, just go along with the video and you'll definitely know when things start to get sketchy. That's one of my cats, Shiba. She knows I'm about to do something stupid, so she gets out of here. So that's me coming with my brand new manual paper shredder, wanting to do a how-to video. If you're thinking it's not a how to use it type of video, you're perfectly right. Yeah, because it's pretty easy to use a manual paper shredder. So I grab my user's manual, I'm faking that I'm actually reading it, take the plastic handle and install it on the little knob that's sticking out there. Now you can see it's really flimsy, it's not very stable, but hey, holding it, it does a decent job. I like that there are not long strips. It makes short, small strips of paper when shredding. Makes decent confetti, yeah. After going through some of those top secret documents, yeah, just joking. Yeah, I kind of get bored of the old school way. It's taking too long and my hands are starting to get mad at me. Really, really mad, actually. So I check the manual again to see if there are some tips or tricks for some shortcuts to make things easier and faster. Of course, nothing of sorts in the manual, but my idiot brain farts an idea. Naturally, it has sketchy stuff written all over it. Nah, we don't really need this piece of junk. I'm just gonna use my electric drill to speed up the process. Better dial it down a bit. Feeling confident and proud of myself, I take the instruction manual, and what a piece of garbage it is. So let's shred it. Just wait for it. Stupidity at its finest. The moment when, you know what, just hit the fan. And there's the oops, I did it again, dumbass grin on my face. What happened here was that I did not think that two folded pieces of paper would jam this thing. I should have taken into account that the design of this thing wasn't that brilliant because you have a very heavy top that stays on a very light recipient and it's not very stable. So the thickness of four sheets of paper would be quite a bit too much for this setup. For as bad as it looked, the damage is not that big. There are some scratches on the top part, and maybe I didn't check exactly on the recipient, but I'm sure it has some scratches. But the most damage would be where the small cogs are located. So I will throw it away. It's not useful anymore. I can only say that I am very, very lucky. This could have gone far worse. If I was sitting down, either the top or the container could have gone for my face. This just goes to show that something which can seem harmless at the beginning can end up being very, very dangerous. Well, guys, this video ended up being a how not to do something video. I hope it was useful. You learned something out of this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Thanks for your support. Bye, guys.